Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable Chroma key in CapCut. So I'm just going to select this green screen video, and I'm just going to move it as an overlay first. Make sure you have something underneath that. I just have a picture of soup just because I don't know. And then select the video, go to cut out, so it's right here next to delete. Cut out, select Chroma key and select the green part of the screen. Adjust the intensity here to remove the green part, and you can also add in the shadow if you like. And that is basically how you can enable Chroma key in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!